McClure, and this is a little intro into the redesign. Check it out. First off, under the hood, Singer alt in the doors, Massive Audio CT1As in the door, aluminum dome tweeters, M6s in the doors, CT1s, silk dome tweeters in the A pillars, M69Cs, the clothes basket, 6x9s in the rear deck. All of this stuff is being pushed by the Massive Audio D800.4 Subwise Massive Audio Hippo XL. That's a 350 ounce magnet, 2000 RMS, 4000 watt max sub. In the trunk, oh yeah, and just a look, Massive Audio, Team 12 Ultronics. That's what we represent around here. In the trunk, we have the D800.4 that's on the mids and highs. We have two Drago 5Ks. They are 2600 RMS. I have them strapped together at 2 ohms on the subs, so they're getting plenty of power. This is the Core 1. This is like the brains of the system. This is the power management. It does your crossovers. You can set RMS limiters. It has a graphic EQ. I don't remember how many bands, but I know it's more than I need to use. I'll let you get a little taste of what it sounds like.